We are practitioners of new ideas. We are the leaders of new industries. We are contributors to the new era. With 11 years of perseverance through challenges, each persistence brings honor and builds iconic brands. Each patent witnesses exploration and establishes industry cornerstones, making green energy safer and more efficient. Maibeit New Energy Company, Ltd. A global provider of photovoltaic mounting system solution. Founded in 2012, headquartered in the beautiful city of Xiamen, it is a company with 3 core sectors: research and development, manufacturing and sales for solar mounting system, solar PV plant EPC, investment and operation for solar plant. Continuously exploring in research and development design, provide comprehensive photovoltaic system solutions for customers. Launch ground PV mounting system, roof PV mounting system, floating PV system, smart tracking systems, and distributed PV system. Since establishment, Maibeit Energy has always adhered to the technology-based idea, establish a diversified and open R&D system, and recruiting high-level technical talents, achieve strategic cooperation with prestigious universities and research institutes, set up Maibeit Energy Laboratory Center, realize material analysis and testing, ultrasonic wall thickness testing, density testing, pendulum impact testing, salt spray testing, tensile testing, and other tests, in an effort to ensure that the product meets technical industry standards. From R&D to production, Maibeit Energy has strong capabilities including aluminum profile production and processing factory, equipped with dozens of advanced materials and intelligent production workshops, steel processing factory with multiple internationally advanced melting and casting furnaces and fully automatic welding production lines, multiple large-scale production lines such as floater processing factories and mounting bracket assembly factories. From parts production to mounting bracket assembly to quality inspection and control, realizing an integrated supply chain system. A scientific warehouse management system that quickly responds to market demand. Products serving over 100 countries and regions worldwide. We have successfully supplied to major projects, including ground mounting brackets, floating PV system, intelligent tracking system, as well as roof mounting brackets, and distributed photovoltaic systems. Expanding into EPC and investment operation of PV power stations. Honors: National High-Tech Enterprise, National Specialized, Sophisticated and New Little Giant Enterprise, Director of China Renewable Energy Association, Fujian Technology Little Giant Leading Enterprise, and recognized as Top 10 PV Bracket Enterprises, Top 10 PV Brand Value List, Best PV Bracket Supplier, for many consecutive years. Build a diversified business scenario and full-link service support system. With high-quality R&D, technical and sales teams. Provide one-to-one pre-sales and after-sales services for customers. Improve communication efficiency and service quality. Continuously expanding the international market. Bring Made in China to global market. Lead the future of the photovoltaic industry with Dream of Light. Maibeit Energy. Build a global leading new energy enterprise.